Okama Crater and the South Mountain Range. Okama Crater is located on the South Mountain Range that has been selected as one of Japan's 100 most famous mountains. The colors of the crater lake also fascinate visitors as they change depending on the angle of view. Hakuba Iwatake Mountain Resort. Hakuba Iwatake in Nagano Prefecture is a mountain resort where you can enjoy a variety of activities in magnificent views through the 4 seasons. Around October every year, you can see the famous mountains of Hakuba that are woven by snow on the top and autumn leaves are on the mountainside. This is one of the few scenic spots in Japan where you can overlook. You can try something new. This is a large ring with a spectacular view, which is called the Yuhu's Ring. And you can take a gondola to the mountain's peak too. This place is also the hotspot in Hakuba. You will definitely can relax and enjoy breathtaking views of the mountains. Tateyama Kurobe Alpine route. The Tateyama Kurobe Alpine route is known as the Route of Japan. The route passes through the dynamic scenery of Mount Tateyama in the Japan Alps. It is traversed using a variety of vehicles with an elevation change of 2,400 meters from Nagano Prefecture to Tohoku Prefecture. Tateyama Kurobe Alpine route shows different scenery in each season. Autumn here is also known as the place where autumn leaves begin as early as in Japan. And you can enjoy the beautiful view of the majestic mountains like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.